Hello everyone, welcome to the workshop. This is Victor. We are going to do the unboxing of a new plane. By the size and shape of the box, you already guessed what is inside. This is the Freewing SR-71 twin 70mm EDF jet. This is the Blackbird. Has been extensively review in different unboxings, so this is going to be a very quick unbox. Then we're going to assemble it, and this weekend we're going to mail it. So okay, let me prepare things around here and I'll be back. Thanks. Okay, let's start opening this box and see what we have. Right. Quality or something. After sales warranty new. Right. Alright. It's a huge box. Very big box, probably the same size as the B1, and well, very nice art. Right. All right. Here we have box. The art box is nice. Okay, let's open it. Release the space. Alright, first of all we found several options for decals. You have the surveillance plane, the spy plane, you have the NASA. Right? I want to see what kind of stickers are these. These are just stickers, or I don't know, these are water slide decals. Nice, very good. All right, this is how it looks like before opening. Nice. We have here we have the wings, the stabilizers, the one part of the fuselage. Let's take a look at the manual. Warning about the voltage of each part. Some manuals more about the ESCs. And this one is, oh, it comes with a 6-axis gyro. Interesting. Interesting. First of all, let's get rid of all this tape. Dangerous tape. You can get your paint job ruined by the tape. Okay, let's take a look first for the wings. It's amazing that this is all the wing, yeah, because the rest is going to be attached to the fuselage. The foam quality is really good. The details are really good. You can see these small rivets or something here. Right, the detail level is really good. All ejection marks on the bottom is really good. Some ejection marks on top. Some decals already in place. This is a typical construction with 2 screws to attach. Right? and the aileron wire here. Nice. Right. The innovation of this plane, as well as the new J20 from I think Fly Fans, is that they have full flying stabilizer, right? Or rudders. But the thing is, of course, we are going to be able to use this one very little. This is really nice. It's a really nice feature. Of course, instead of having just a small portion here of rudder, everything is a rudder, so this one has a very huge effect. It's really interesting. I'm actually modifying my old LX Sukhoi 57 to have the same kind of rudder, right? I have this one just for the looks, right? This is the rudder. I eliminated the small rudder and I put this system that comes together with the control horn, right? And it will be full flying rudder now. All right. Okay, what else we have here? Oh, this is the wing. Ooh, this one is serious. Remove it and neutralize it. All right, now one part of the fuselage. This one comes with the cockpit. The cockpit is provided with two pilots. It looks really scale. I'm not sure about this window, though. I remember this one going all the way to the front. Maybe I'm wrong, but a little bit strange shape. Okay, and it has one hatch. Under this hatch is okay. This is the new system that they are using for lighting the cockpit. It's really good because you have these pogo pins. Every time you just connect to this one, the lights are connected, right? Well, at least that is what I believe. Yeah, this is for this strobe light. Sorry, for the strobe light. All right. At the bottom we have the front landing gear. All right. A connection for the nose. Some intakes to cool down the ESCs, I assume, and the multi-connector that connects with the back of the plane. So it means for transportation you can remove these two screws, remove this connector, and just take out half of the plane, because this plane is very long. It's a 1.8 meter long plane, right? Okay, now let's go to the lower part. I'm getting short of space now. Okay, so here we have the main part of the fuselage, the biggest part of this plane. Let's take a look first at the nose. This is the nose, and this must be the tail. Right. It comes with a magnet, so the tail is hard plastic. This one is plastic protected. The nose is plastic, and the sides are plastic. This is good. And I think, yeah, all around the plane is all the lurks, the lead or the blend wing are protected with plastic. Very good. All right. This is a big chunk of plane. Protector for the nozzles. And well, you can see we have the shockwave cones. This one is not protected with plastic. This is plastic, this is foam, and this is plastic, and this connector is plastic. Right? Only this side is not protected by foam, by plastic, sorry. And here you have what another innovation. Well, not innovation, but something new in Freewing, the drag chute, right? The drag chute is coming out from here. I say innovation because this was tested by LX before, right? Not LX, not only LX, but also, you know, remember the G9. It was a version of the Freewing F86, but that one, it was a version G9 with the drag chute below. We have elevators, good. These are the connections for the rudders, right? And we have the landing gear, right? All right, that's it. I mean, only a few parts: fuselage, 2 wings, 2 rudders, front fuselage, tail cone, nose cone, and that's it. And some hardware here, just a little bit of hardware. Some ball link connections, the non-slip mat for the battery. Let's see, take a look at the other hatch here. So what we have here, the secondary hatch, we have another battery strap. This one is a UBEC. All the connections already marked, right? The multi-connector that connects the front part of the fuselage, and the blue box. And somewhere there, I think this one is the gyro, 6-axis gyro. Nice. For the first flight, I'm not really a big fan of using gyro, so I'm going to fly manual. I will try gyro in flight and see how it responds, but usually I prefer to keep control by myself. Looking for... Oh, it's okay. I was thinking about this is the pitot tube that comes here. That's the last part of the plane. Right? Okay. Just give me a moment. We are going to start with the assembly. All right, we're back. We're going to start the assembly. First, in preparation, I install these cones to protect the foam when you are inserting. It's like a finder cone, right? Remember not to glue the 2 fuselage halves, right? Insert this, right? It's really nice that the joiner part is all plastic, both sides. All right. Okay, and then I already collected all the screws in a tray. Put the tray here. 2.5 flathead hex screws, right? Alright, one screw on the top, and then unfortunately these screws are good or bad. The good thing is they are stainless steel, so it's not going to rust. The problem is that you cannot pick it with the magnet. Alright. One. Two. Alright. Okay. Again. It's getting longer and longer. The wings also have this guiding cone here that you need to glue. This is a simple spar. There is no big spar here. No need. I'm going to pick up this one first. Okay. Right. Here's the connector. Check always the polarity, right? The yellow is the signal, so you don't have issue later. It happens. It happened to me sometimes. Put it back inside and slide in the wing. All right. We repeat the same in the other side. Connect. In all the wires and all right, nice. Actually I should have done this by now because the screws are lower part. One. Suspension just need to screw it in place. Right. Right. Okay. The wings are done. Now we're going to install the rudders. Huge stabilizer, full flying rudder. These are pointing inwards, right? You don't need to connect anything here because the servo connection is inside. We just slide these tabs here. Okay. All right. Again. Empty screws. Go in, maybe push it down. This SR-71 was actually a very good idea, because we were asking for this one for quite some time already. Even I was considering 3D printing one, because I already have the LX in the past. That was nice, but it has some strange flying behavior, right? And of course, very low level of details and some issues with the quality. Okay, you have both sides, huh? You have to put screws on both sides. Something is blocking. I don't want to put some marks on the phone, so I need to be careful. As I mentioned, we do a comparison with the LX SR-71. Well, you can criticize LX, but LX was really innovative, right? They innovated a lot in this hobby. Unfortunately, the quality was, especially the electronics, were really bad. But the ideas and everything paved the way for all these planes that we are enjoying now, right? They were the first ones to do the huge A10 with opening cockpit and all the bells and whistles, and then almost 9 to 10 years later, FMS and Freewing came with their own version. I must admit, full FMS and Freewing version were technologically superior, right? But the same happened with the SR-71, right? You have a SR-71 twin 64mm when nobody was doing this plane. So what LX did was they took the challenge, they did it. Many of us enjoy that plane. Now, but the problem with the LX is that they stayed back in time. They didn't want to come up to the times and so on, and they made things more difficult, right? Right now they are not developing anything. All right, so the radars are installed. The connection for the radars is quite special. Let me show you, because it's a kind of a yoke, right? It has two arms, and inside comes the connector to the servo, right? All right. Fine. How to connect? Yeah, because it's interesting, but I don't see the part that should go there. Give me a second, I will go back to the manual. Well, surprisingly, it's just a ball link. Here you can see. For the size of the control horn, split control horn, I assume it was going to be kind of a joke or something like that, but it wasn't. It comes with these very small screws, right? M2. I need a small screwdriver. Alright. So first you install the control horn. I think it's better to install this one before installing the rudder. It's more comfortable because here is a bit tricky. Let me see. This looks metal. It's going in. This is some of the surprises you get with new systems. Yeah. This one cannot go in here. You see, I'm not doing something strange. Supposedly this is okay, but it's not willing to go inside this thing. I'm going to take out the rudder because I want to see. Maybe I'm not understanding the instruction, but this is very simple. Better safe than sorry. Okay, this one. Alright. Let's take a look at this, right? The instruction says to put this ball in between these two arms, but I don't see how. Alright. More or less. Let's see. Let's change to my magnifying glass. No, I think what I'm going to do is something not really nice, but this is aluminum. So I'm bending a little bit this one. Okay, now it goes straight, maybe too much. Alright, now it's perfect. Okay. As I mentioned, I think it's better to install this thing first. Alright, Now we can adjust this one. Alright, and I'm going to put the tab of C8 here. Yeah. Too much. Okay. We do the same with the other one. Just pause here. All right. It seems was a issue with that particular thing that was compressed on the factory. So now it's okay, and we are going to install the quick link here. But after I connect the radio and make sure everything is neutral. Alright, the radios are installed. We're going to do the last part. Right. Which is, if I find it, install the nose. Magnet, the pitot tube, just pressure. We have some spares here. We install the hatch. Hatch number 1. And hatch number 2. What else? The tail. Here. Last part. Alright, this is it. It's a huge, very long plane. Right? Let me bring down my SR-71. Okay, this is for size comparison with the LX64 mm 2009 SR-71. Shape is nice. Definitely the Freewing is another level of scale, right? You can see even the shape of the gondolas are different, right? This is more straight, this one has this shape, right? The rudder is huge compared to this one. This one is only maybe 30% smaller than it should be. The rest is nice, and also this one only has the external ailerons, while this one has internal ailerons. So this one are fixed here, right? And then the side of this is what time does to these planes. Okay. All right. Let's wrap it up. The plane is very easy to assemble. Very few parts included. I mean, all the hardware is there, and the plane looks really beautiful, really nice. Look at this. It's nice and huge. Very, very nice. And of course, the full flying rudders gives the plane a very mean look. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. It's always a pleasure to build a new plane and all the expectation to fly it. Later we're going to test all the electronics. We're going to have a short video on the electronics, the landing gear and lights and all the servos and everything. Okay, keep posted, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to help my channel, and see you soon. Thanks.